How to join a Telegram group. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to join a new Telegram group, what you're simply gonna do is, first of all, launch the application on your device. Now, if someone has already sent you an invitation link, just click on the link and then join the group. But if you don't have the link and you have the name of a group you want to join, then what you're gonna do is, after opening the Telegram app, go to the search icon which is in the top right corner of your screen. Then search for a group you want to join. Now after you find the group you want to join, what you're going to do is in the bottom you can see the option it says join. Click on it and there you go. After you do this, you have to click over here to prove that you're a human and not a robot. Then start. Then after you do the tasks given over here and prove that you're a human, you can simply join the group. So this is how you can join Telegram groups. Thank you for watching till the end of the video. Hope you liked it and see you in the next video.